Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is a beautiful day to be out and about. Summer is almost over, only a few days left. So I decided to take advantage of the beautiful weather and do my makeup outdoors. The idea today is to create a lived-in Boho Chic liner with a touch of sparkle, because why not? Life is too short not to love glitter. First thing for me is to have a complexion that doesn't look heavy and loaded with product. I'm already experiencing some skin issues and rough texture, so by keeping the application to a minimum, this will help and will not accentuate the imperfections. The finish of the CC cream is matte, so it's perfect because I will not need any powder, and also the rest of the products that follow are products that are very creamy, so they will perfectly blend into the skin. I'm going to go ahead and just buff the CC cream with a brush perfectly into the skin, just make it become one with it. Touch of concealer in the hollows underneath my eyes. I'm going to warm it up first on the back of my hand and then just gently tap it. I'm going to go right in the inner corner where most of the darkness occurs. And then I'm just going to gently feather it out, make sure there's no demarcation line and just everything blends in perfectly right where it's supposed to in the darker areas. I'm going to take whatever is left on the brush and just go a little bit around my nose. That's where most of my redness is. Take your time with this. Have that concealer really blend and melt into the skin. I'm going to take a little bit around my face wherever I see a blemish, which is a lot these days for some odd reason, but hey, we got makeup. So for the liner today, I'm not going to use a liquid liner. I'm going in with a pencil and I'm just really working that into the lash line, just deep into the lashes. Don't worry about the shape. We're going to come back and precise it with a brush. So for now, I'm just really digging this into the lash line. I don't want any flesh showing. This will make the lashes look thicker and longer once we apply the mascara. Go ahead and make it as thick as you want. Like I said, we're going to come back and now I'm going to get a touch of black eyeshadow and I'm going to go ahead and blend the edges. Just try to go over all that pencil with a shadow and then perfect your wing using the stiffness of the brush. The idea is to have this intense black liner but with soft edges, not too graphic. I think the look is much more wearable, even though the pencil has a little bit of glitter in it. Every now and then, step back, look in the mirror, make sure they're even. I'm also going to take a little bit of the black pencil on the brush and just push it in the waterline, on my upper waterline. That way no flesh is showing between the lashes. For mascara, I'm going to coat the top lashes twice for intensity. And of course, I'm going to leave my bottom lashes a little bit of love. I'm going to skip the falsies today. For the highlighter, I'm not gonna go with something too metallic or too dramatic. I wanna keep it super minimal and super light because the eyes are the statement. So I'm just going to gently press this on the highest points of my cheeks. I love how this just completely melts into the skin. And of course, a little bit on the Cupid's bow, a little bit on the chin and the bridge of the nose. I love how subtle and just that glow from within this highlighter gives. And whatever I have left, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my décolletage. For blush, I love this color. It's not too pinky, not too nude, not too peach, and it's super velvety and completely melts into the skin, giving you that blush from within look. I'm gonna go a little bit higher and then just blend everything in with a buffing brush. To keep this look simple and accessible, I'm leaving the lips natural looking by applying a touch of balm. And that's it, guys. Now, I know liner is not the easiest thing to do when it comes to makeup, and shape is the key. So just play around with different shape and just see what suits you best, what suits your eyes, your features. But most of all, just enjoy. It's makeup. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.